He said Jerry. But it's top tier radio. You top tier radio on YouTube, TikTok, everything.
Yo, shout out top tier radio, man. Oh my.
I know you got in, bro. Streamer you or 500K?
Streamer you.
A mil.
I don't need a 100K. I don't need a 500K. A mil.
A milli? A milli.
Now you know you're gonna make more than
I made a guy. Canel said the same thing. Canel said a mil. He out of there. Canel said a mil. I'm out of there.
Ticket. I'm like, nah, I'm gonna get about. I'm gonna probably need like a couple tickets.
A couple M's. A couple M's. Because streamer you gonna run that shit up. You about to run that shit up.
The money can go away fast. The moments that I make it SU, that's gonna last forever.
Oh, so you gonna start the first fight? You gonna start the first paintball war and all that?
I'm throwing niggas around.
Okay.
Somebody
gotta be the leader and really start all the bullshit.
Gonna see this. What you gonna do, nigga? I throw those eyes too, nigga.
The janitors, they on that this year. Okay.
You gonna turn your back and you think it's safe in there? They safe. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. They just safe in there.
Love, bro.
Love, bro.
Silky, let me get a photo of you. I got you, man.
Appreciate you. Alright, bro.
He being great, man.
Oh, damn, what type of camera?
His shit max. What
type of lens is this?
It's a fisheye lens.
I was watching. Also, like, it's
he making a movie right now. He making a.
You look good. You look good.
I look good.
Hey, you look good. He said it. You heard him. You heard him. He on that. He bro.
Good, ain't he?
Oh, what up, man?
Good luck here, nigga. That's some shit. They couldn't hold you.
Yo, you on that, bro? You on that, bro? You look good, bro. What's up with you, bro? What's up with you, bro? We can't do that, bro. You
pause, bro. Pause.
That's overly glazed. That's overly glazed, gango. Just a tad. He said just a smidge. Just a smidge of glaze.
Oh, I gotta show you. So ancient time, like holy shit.
Look at the vines. Look at the vines.
This is a video. Where's the stream?
It's a video. You streaming?
Nah, I can't stream.
Okay.
There's no connection in here.
Oh, the mic on the head though. I like that. You know what I mean? Wait, you got YouTube?
Oh yeah.
Bro, what's happening, bro? Yeah, gang. Wait, you making a video, right?
Yeah, I'm making a video. Yeah.
Vlog?
Yeah. A little recap, vlog shit.
Nice.
I just started my shit.
This is my group channel. Me and bro, we just be outside. But me, Dola, I'm sorry, bro. But me, Dola, I'll be doing streams, reacting to music. Let's hear that shit live. I'm gonna let you type your shit in mine, bro. Let me get my phone. There you go. It's not loading. Oh shit, where the fuck my phone, bro? I'm tripping. Oh. did not steal my black phone. Thank you. Thank you. All right. You know what I mean? I got it on my.
This is you, right?
Yeah, gang. Yeah, man. But, type of shit out, man.
That's me right there. I just started my shit.
And you already got 300 views, right? You know what I'm saying? That's all that matters, bro.
I'm trying shit, bro. I'm trying shit.
Bro, nigga, what, bro? There's still be videos of mine that get 5 views. And, you know what I mean? Every once in a while, it just happen. Shit happen, gang on. Shit happen, but yeah, we gotta keep working, bro. It's nice to meet you, bro.